Logged out of your US Bank mobile, you can recover access without calling support. Here's how. Open your US banking app and then tap Forgot Password. Enter your user ID and required information, and then you verify using SMS, email, or secure code. While entering your SMS, email, or secure code, make sure you're entering it correctly so your verification code won't get lost. Also, create a new password. Also, while creating a new password, make sure that your password that you're creating is a strong and unique password so people won't have access to your data. Then log back in and re-enable biometrics. Tip: use a password you have never used before, and that's it. Subscribe.